What's up, guys? It's Lucas at Advantage Academy, and we're here today for our very first video under Advantage Academy. So before we get started, let me give you a rundown. Advantage Academy basically is a series that we'll be releasing of tutorials, reviews, how-tos on a bunch of different creative stuff, kind of to help out the community and just show you guys how we do the cool things we do. So without further ado, it kind of makes sense to make the first tutorial on how to make a tutorial. So we're going to open up our browser here. We're going to need a few things. You're going to need a OBS or some kind of recorder. So I use Streamlabs right now. It's super free, super easy to use. Click download and get that started while I talk to you about a few other things. Another thing you'll need is a mic. This is the one I use right now. Definitely don't need this. There's other mics out here for a lot cheaper if you're looking to get started on a budget. This works just fine. I also have this mic, great mic. It's what I started with. Moving on, you could also you also need a webcam. Unfortunately, right now due to the pandemic, a lot of them are sold out. Logitech is a great brand for webcams. This is the exact model I use, and we'll look at that later. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's head on over to Streamlabs. So you're going to have this weird window effect here. So this is inside Streamlabs. You have your mixers over here. If you come down here to settings, audio, and you'll be able to pick your mic right over here, and it'll show up over here. Super simple. Now you have your sources, and this is what shows up here. This is your preview window. It looks a little funky right now because it's actually screen recording what I'm showing you, so it looks like a endless loop there. So right here is your monitor. You could do this by monitor, a bunch of different things. So you could do browser, monitor if you have some kind of capture device, if you're doing something on an Xbox or other things like that. A whole bunch of stuff. Mainly what you want to do is hit a display capture, add source. You could name it whatever. I'll name it monitor 2. Add to source, and then it'll detect your monitors and tell you which one you want to pick. So if I pick this one, that's what you're going to be seeing right now, obviously. But if I disable that, it takes you back here. So if you're looking to have a webcam in your tutorial, so you could kind of talk to your people, show them what's going on. This also works for the stream. You're going to come down here. Obviously, you're going to want to have your webcam plugged in somewhere and ready to go. You're going to come over to video capture device. And you're going to want to name it whatever. Simple webcam, add source. Now it's going to detect what you have plugged in. There's mine right there. What's going on? Hit done. And now you can resize and throw that wherever you want. So it's a really quick editor up here. You could take it around, throw it there, throw it here. And then you have your video while you talk and while you work. Super simple stuff. This is just the basics. There's a bunch of plugins you can find online for cool different gadgets and widgets to come in here. But that's about it. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This is the first video, so we'd love to hear from you guys in the comments on new videos for us to do or anything you guys are looking to do. We can help explain it. All right, great. See you guys next time.